Today we are going to start revision number 3 of chapter number 6 triangles, and this is the last revision for this chapter. Then we will start coordinate geometry. ठीक है, उसके बाद trigonometry start करेंगे. So some important questions of 6.5 exercise are left out. So we'll start with question number 14. Okay, this is very important. बोर्ड एग्जाम में काफ़ी बार आ चुका है. The perpendicular from A on side BC of a triangle ABC intersect BC at D such that DB is equals to 3 times CD. Okay, DB is 3 times CD, and we have to prove that this too. 2 times AB square is equals to 2 times AC square plus BC square. Now this is 3 times of CD. So if you add this two, you will get 4 times of CD, and that will be equals to BC. Okay, so that means we can write CD is equals to 1/4 of BC. So we'll start with that relations only. BC और CD और BD के बीच में relation find करेंगे. So BD is given 3 times CD. Now BC we can write BD plus CD, that is 3 times of CD plus CD, 4 times CD. So CD will be 1/4 of BC. If CD is 1/4 of BC, so DB will be 3/4 of BC. ठीक है, that you have to keep in your mind. Now in triangle ADB, ADC, see carefully, AC belongs to this right triangle and AB belongs to this right triangle. So we'll apply Pythagoras theorem one by one. So first to triangle Pythagoras theorem, if you apply this one ADB, what you will get in this one?
AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square.
Very good. And second triangle
AC square is equals to AD square plus CD square.
Right. Okay. So we are getting these two. Now if we subtract these two, see carefully, if we subtract these two, what we are going to get, these two will be cancelled, and we are going to get AB square minus AC square is equals to BD square minus DC square. Whether this step is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, now BD is 3 times of CD. If you substitute, then it will become 9 CD square. 9 CD square minus CD square will become 8 CD square. Okay. Now CD we already wrote in terms of BC, that is 1/4 of BC. So BC by 4 whole square हो जाएगा. That means BC square upon 16. So ये cancel कर सकते हैं यहाँ पर. Now AB square minus AC square is equals to BC square by 2. So what we will do, we will multiply this to both sides, both AB square minus AC square, 2 को cross multiply करेंगे. So we'll get 2 times AB square minus 2 AC square is equals to BC square. Now after multiplying, we will shift AC square to this side, यहाँ पे. So it will become plus. So this is the proof of 14th question. Okay, now we are moving towards the 5th question. This is very very important. काफ़ी बार बोर्ड एग्जाम में आ चुका है, 2018 में भी आया था ये क्वेश्चन, 19 में आया था शायद. इन एन इक्विलैटरल ट्राइंगल ABC, D is a point on side BC such that BD is 1/3 of BC. Prove that 9 times of AD square is equals to 7 times of AB square. So we know that in equilateral triangle all the 3 sides are equal. So all 3 sides we are going to take x. Okay. So this is the rough figure, x, 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 and D is the point such that BD is 1/3 of BC. And we took all 3 sides are equals to x. So BD will be x by 3. This is clear? Next, now we are going to draw one perpendicular line, ठीक है, AE, right? AE perpendicular to BC, and we know that in equilateral triangle perpendicular bisects the base. So BE is equals to CE is equals to half of BC. Half of BC means x by 2. This step is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Now AD belongs to which triangle? AD belongs to which triangle?
Triangle
ADE.
ADE. And AB belongs to which triangle?
Triangle ABC.
AB.
Triangle A.
Okay. So we'll take one by one after finding the value of DE. Okay. So DE we can write BE minus BD. And BE is x by 2 and BD is x by 3. So if you take LCM, you will get 3x minus 2x upon 6. And what is the final answer?
X upon 6.
Right, x upon 6. So DE मिल गया. अब equilateral triangle में हम लोग के पास एक formula है. The length of altitude is root 3 upon 2 a square. Root 3 upon 2 into a. That is root 3 upon 2 into side. And side we already took x. So ये हो जाएगा root 3x by 2. अब हम लोग केवल ये वाला एक ट्राइंगल लेंगे. Only one triangle, that is ADE, and we'll apply Pythagoras theorem. So AD square is equals to AE square plus DE square. AE is root 3 by 2x and DE is x by 6. We'll substitute. So root 3x by 2 whole square will become root 3x square by 4, and x by 6 whole square will become x square upon 36. Now if you take LCM, you will get 36. Okay, और यहाँ पे into 9 करना है 27 plus x square. This LCM is clear to all of you?
Yes,
So
sir.
28x square upon 36. So 4 से cancel हो रहा है, देखो 4 7s are 4 9s are. So 9 AD square is equals to 7x square. Now x replaced by x is replaced by AB. You can replace it by AC also, BC also, because all three sides are equal. So finally we get 9 AD square is equals to 7 AB square. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay,
No.
question number 16. In an equilateral triangle, prove that 3 times the square of one side is equal to 4 times the square of one of its altitudes. Okay, so I'm going to take AB is equals to BC is equals to AC is equals to 2A. So one student asked me that why you took 2A, why we can't take A, why we can't take 3A. So you can take A also, you can take 3A also, but in order to make our answer simple, I'm going to take 2A. Okay, so see, this is the figure. AD is perpendicular to BC, and we know that the altitude of an equilateral triangle bisects the base. So base will be A. Right, now if you take A here, so you have to take fraction here, right? Again you have to subtract, you have to multiply, you have to everything you have to handle. In that your answer you have to handle fraction. So in order to avoid that fraction, we took 2A, even multiple of A. Okay, clear? Now apply take this triangle or this triangle and apply Pythagoras theorem. So we know that altitude from a vertex of an equilateral triangle bisects the opposite side. So these two are equal, both are equal to A. That I already discussed. Now in right angle triangle ABD, AB square is equals to AD square plus BD square. Now substitute all the values. AB is 2A and BD is A. So this will be 4A square and this will be A square. Now shift A square to this side. You will get AD square is equals to
3A square.
right. This is clear.
Yes, sir.
See, 3 times the square of one side, 3 times the square of one side is equals to 4 times the square of one of its altitude. अभी साइड पूरा नहीं हुआ है, साइड 2a है, तो a को हम लोग लिखेंगे ab अपॉन 2 होल स्क्वायर, ठीक है, क्योंकि स्मॉल a इज ab अपॉन 2. Now ab upon 2 whole square will become ab square upon 4. Now shift 4 to this side. So we'll get the proof. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
If you take a, then also you'll get the same correct answer. Okay, right. Now this is the last important question from that exercise 6.5 and 6.6 optional exercise. I would like to explain two questions, first and ninth question. Okay, because these two questions are good and they can give, a board can give these two questions. In figure 6.56, PS is the bisector of angle QPR. So these two angles are equal. Prove that QS upon SR is equals to PQ upon PR. ठीक है, इसमें हम लोग एक कंस्ट्रक्शन करेंगे. We'll do one construction through R. We will draw one parallel line parallel to PS. Okay, which will intersect the extended line at point T, and let these two angles are 1, 2 and these two are 3 and 4. Construction is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now angle 1 is equals to angle 2. Why? Because PS is the
Angular
bisector of, yes, PS is the bisector of angle QPR, and angle 2 is equals to angle 3,
Alternate interval.
right, and angle 1 is equals to angle 4, corresponding angles,
Corresponding angle.
right. So angle 2 is equals to angle 3, alternate interior angles. Angle 1 is equals to angle 4, corresponding angles. But angle 1 is equals to angle 2. Why? Because PS is the bisector of angle QPR. So therefore these two are also equal. Now if these two are equal, PT is equals to PR. Why?
Sides opposite.
Side opposite to equal angles are
Right,
equal.
very good. Sides opposite to equal angles are equal. Okay, right. Now we are going to apply basic proportionality theorem in the full triangle, that is QTR. In triangle QTR, PS is parallel to TR. Okay, so therefore what we can write, QS upon SR is equals to PQ upon PT by basic proportionality theorem. Now we are going to replace PT by PR because both are equal. So यही proof करना था. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Ninth question. Ninth question is the converse of the same first question. In the regular class also I already told you that these two questions are was most important question of the old syllabus. जो 2003, 4, 5 में जो syllabus था, उस समय का बहुत important question था. Internal bisector theorem के नाम से था ये. And this is the converse. Okay. Now BD upon DC is equals to AB upon AC. Then we have to show that AD is the bisector of angle BAC. Okay. Here also we will do the same construction. C से हम लोग एक parallel line draw करेंगे. Right? We are drawing one parallel line and we'll extend this one. Both will intersect at point E. फिर से 1, 2, 3, 4 ले लिए हम लोग. Right? Now what is given that BD upon DC is equals to AB upon AC, and by basic proportionality theorem what we can write, BD upon DC is equals to AB upon AE. ठीक है, वो वाला पार्ट हम लोग पहले लेंगे. This is clear? Now, but this is given. If you see carefully, the left hand side of both are same. So right hand side also will be equal to each other. And we will eliminate the numerator. So this will imply AE is equals to AC. And that will imply angle 3 is equals to angle 4. Why?
Angles opposite equal sides are equal.
Very good. Angles opposite to two equal sides are equal. Good. Now, angle 1 is equals to angle 3, corresponding angles. Angle 2 is equals to angle 4, alternate interior angles. And angle 3 is equals to angle 4, already we proved. So, angle 1 is equals to angle 2. Clear? That means AD bisects angle BAC. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay. So, now after this question, I would like to take up some board questions, okay, which is not in our book, not from your NCERT exercise, maybe some example also. So I will start with this question. This is CBSE 2015 question. If in triangle ABC, AD is the median and AE perpendicular to BC, then prove that AB square plus AC square is equals to 2 times AD square plus half of BC square. So first we will draw the diagram. Okay. So ABC is the triangle and AD is the median and AE perpendicular to BC. Right. So if in triangle ABE by Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equals to AE square plus BE square. Right. And AC belongs to which triangle? AEC. Okay. So again, see carefully. AE square, if you take this triangle, देखो ध्यान से, ये वाला triangle अगर लेते हैं हम लोग, if you take this triangle, what you can write AD square? AD square is equals to AE square plus DE square. So we can replace AE square by AD square minus DE square. In the same step, BE we can write BD minus DE. BD minus DE. Now expand this one. If you expand, you will get a square plus b square minus 2ab formula. So this d square will be cancelled. And what we are going to get, ad square plus bd square minus 2 times bd into de. Let it be equation number 1. Any doubt in this first equation?
No, sir.
Okay. Now, next we are going to take this triangle. Just now I told you AEC. AC square is equals to AE square plus EC square. Again, I would like to replace AE by this one, AD square minus DE square. And EC को हम लोग लिख सकते हैं DE plus DC. EC can be written as DE plus DC या CD. Okay, so expand this one by using formula a plus b whole square. So we'll get a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here also these two will be cancelled. And what we are going to get? AD square plus DC square plus 2 times AD into DC. Now let it be equation number 2. उससे पहले हम लोग क्या करेंगे? इसको रिप्लेस करेंगे, एडजस्ट करेंगे पूरा. ध्यान से देखो, व्हाट आई डिड, DC को इधर लिखा मैंने और DE को इधर लिखा. ठीक है, क्योंकि इन दोनों में कॉमन लेना है मुझे, कॉमन लेके कैंसिल करना है. सो ये सेकंड इक्वेशन क्लियर हो गया. जस्ट आई इंटरचेंज दिस टू. Second equation clear? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So now
sir.
we are going to add equation 1 and 2. If you add left hand side AB square plus AC square is equals to 2 times of AD square plus BD square. Why? See, ध्यान से देखो, this 2 will be cancelled. Why? Because DC is equals to BD. AD is the median. So this 2 will be cancelled and we are getting AD square plus DC square. AB replace करेंगे, DC को replace करेंगे BD से. So AD square 2 times AD square, BD square 2 times BD square. ये स्टेप क्लियर हो गया. अदरवाइज व्हाट वी कैन डू, यहाँ पे जो इक्वेशन 2 लिखे हैं यहीं पे हम लोग इसको BC कर लेते हैं. दैट वुड बी बेटर. BD. Why? ये रीजन इसके लिए लिख दो. Because BD is equals to DC, replaced DC by BD. This is clear? पहले रिप्लेस कर दो सेकंड इक्वेशन में, उसके बाद जब ऐड करोगे तो ये दोनों कैंसिल हो जाएगा and we are getting directly this one without substituting. Okay, now what is BD in terms of BC? What is BD in terms of BC? BC is full and BD is half. So BD, in place of BD we can write half BC. Right, half BC whole square. So this will become BC square by 4 and 1 2 will be cancelled. So we'll get half BC square. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, so we'll move towards one more very important question. This is 2016 question. This is the figure. A triangle ABC is a right angle triangle at C. If P is the length of perpendicular from C to AB and ABC are the lengths of the sides opposite to angle A, angle B, angle C respectively. Prove that 1 upon P square is equals to 1 upon A square plus 1 upon B square. Okay, this is very good question. इस साल भी आ सकता है, repeat भी हो सकता है. So we'll start with these two, ACB. ध्यान से देखो, ACB full triangle and this triangle. So this is common to both the triangles, angle B, and this angle is equals to this angle, each 90 degree. So therefore these two triangles are similar. By which criteria? Right, by A similarity. Now see, if these two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional. Now we are going to identify the corresponding sides. ध्यान से देखो जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ. Now you tell me opposite side of angle B for both the triangles. First triangle.
CD.
Full triangle.
AC.
AC.
B in terms of B. Okay, and second triangle.
P.
B. Right. Okay. Now you tell me the angle opposite to 90 degree. First triangle.
C.
C. And second triangle.
A.
Right. So what we are going to get, B upon P is equals to C upon A. This is clear? Because corresponding sides of similar triangles are proportional. So now we will shift B to this side. So 1 upon P is equals to C upon AB. Whether this step is clear?
Yes.
Okay, now square both sides. So what we are getting, 1 upon P square is equals to C square upon A square B square. Now what is C square? Use Pythagoras theorem. Tell me, what is C square?
B square plus A square.
Right, very good. A square plus B square. Yeah, B square plus A square. Right, now split करो इसको. If you split, you will get A square upon a square plus b square plus b square upon a square b square. So here one a square will be cancelled and here one b square will be cancelled. Okay. So what we are going to get? This one. यही proof करना था. Any doubt?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
So we'll move towards one more question. This is very good question. X is a point on the side BC of triangle ABC, and XM and XN are drawn parallel to AB and AC respectively, meeting AB in A and AC in M. MN produced meets CB produced at T. Prove that TX square is equals to TB into TC. So for this question, diagram was not given in the exam. Okay, this is the diagram. See, I will explain the diagram. X is a point on BC. This is the triangle. This is the original triangle where I am shading. See. Here X is the point, right? And XM is the line parallel to AB and XN is the line parallel to AC. Okay? And after that MN is produced and CB is produced and both are intersected at point T. This is the diagram. Diagram is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because diagram was not given. Okay, fine. Now we are going to prove this triangle and this triangle similar. कौन सा देखो ध्यान से, ये वाला and this full triangle. This angle is equals to this angle. Why?
Corresponding.
Corresponding angles, and this is common to both the triangles. So we can say that TXN, triangle TXN is similar to triangle TCM. Whether this is clear? But you have to show ना, मैं थोड़ा skip किया हूँ steps. This is clear how these two triangles are similar by AA similarity. Now if these two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional. Now how to identify the corresponding sides? First TXN का ये इसका opposite angle opposite side बताओ. What is the side opposite to this angle?
NT.
Okay, so I call it as TN. And for this full triangle, TM. Okay, so TN upon TM. Now this is the common angle for both the triangles. So first is XN and second is CM. And one more side is left, TX upon TC. So whether this is clear to all of you, corresponding sides of similar triangles are proportional. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now similarly one more triangle you can show. Similar. कौन सा बता रहा हूँ? This one, TBN, and the second triangle is TXM. These two angles are equal, corresponding angles, and this is common. So by AA similarity, these two triangles are also similar. अब इसका corresponding sides देखो. TB upon TX is equals to TN upon TB, TM, TN upon TM, and BN upon XM. Let it be equation number 2. Whether these two equations are clear? इसमें if you want to skip this one, the middle one, that is fine, because only these two are required. These two are required. ये दोनों नहीं भी लिखोगे चल जाएगा. Okay. Now equation 1 and 2 में the right hand side is same for both the triangles, both the equations. So left hand side are equal. Wait. So TB upon TX is equals to TX upon TC. Now if you cross multiply, you will get the answer. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay,
No, sir.
we'll move towards next question. This is CBSE 2013 question. In the given figure, AD is the median of triangle ABC and AE is perpendicular to BC. And we have to show that figure is given. We have to show that B square plus C square is equals to 2 times uh, P square plus half of A square. Now this is very similar to that question what we did in the first that 2015 exam question. Okay, so let us start with the B. B belongs to which triangle? Which right triangle?
AEC.
AC. And C belongs to which right triangle?
Triangle AEB.
Okay, fine. So we'll take ED is equals to X. इसको हम लोग X ले रहे हैं. ठीक है? So BE कितना हो जाएगा? What will be BE? BD minus BE, and BD is A by 2. So we can write A by 2 minus X. Okay? And similarly, what is the relation between these three if you apply Pythagoras theorem? P square is equals to H square plus X square. So एक एक करके हम लोग लेते हैं पहले. BD is equals to DC is equals to BC by 2, that is equals to A by 2 because AD is the median, it is given. Right? Now, in right triangle, AC square is equals to AE square plus EC square. Now, AE is H, and how will you write EC? How will you write EC?
A plus X.
A by 2 plus X. ठीक है, that is ED plus DC, and DC is A by 2. ये clear है? And H square, just now I told you that P square is equals to H square plus X square. So H square we can write P square minus X square. Now expand this one. If you expand, what you will get? Okay, if you expand, what you will get? A square plus B square, A square plus B square plus 2AB. Now see, this X square will be cancelled, and what we are going to get? P square plus A square by 4, and this 2 will be cancelled, and we'll get AX only. Whether this second equation is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now the next part is C. Now C means you have to take triangle ABE. Now in right triangle AEB, AB square is equals to AE square plus BE square, and AE is H, and BE we can write A by 2 minus X. I already told. Right, now in the next step we are going to substitute A by 2 X here, and H square is equals to P square minus X square. Again expand this one. If you expand, you will get A square by 4 plus X square minus 2 into A by 2 into X. This 2 cancel, this X square cancel, and what we are going to get? This one. This is equation number 3. Now we have to add both B square and C square, that is second and third equation. So if we add, these 2 will be cancelled. So we are getting 2 times of P square and 2 times of A square by 4. That is half A square. Any doubt here? So we'll move towards next question. In the figure, PQR and QST are two right triangles right angled at R and T respectively. Prove that QR into QS is equals to QP into QT. This is 2014 board question. So we are going to prove these two triangles similar first. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 le rahe. So in these two triangles, angle 1 is common to both the triangles. and these two angles are 90 degree each. So therefore these two triangles are similar by which criteria?
A similarity
A.
Right,
criteria.
A similarity. Now we are going to find the corresponding sides. Okay, so you tell me the opposite side of angle 1, first triangle. अच्छा एक मिनट, angle 1 is common to this angle 1 and these two angles are equal. One more pair is there, angle P or angle S. Okay, you tell me the opposite side of angle P.
QR.
QR. Angle S.
Q.
QT. Okay, fine. And angle 3. QS. Angle 2. QP. Fine. So QR upon QT is equals to QP upon QS. Why? Because corresponding sides of similar triangles are proportional. Now if you cross multiply, you will get the answer. Any doubt in this question? Now one more very good question and a very typical also. This is CBSE 2015 question. In the figure, angle BED is equals to angle BDE. These two angles are equal. And E divides BC in the ratio 2:1. These two are given. Prove that AF into BE is equals to 2 times AD into CF. This one. So इसको कैसे prove करेंगे देखो. First of all, we will draw one parallel line CG parallel to DF. Okay, CG parallel to DF. ये दोनों parallel हो गया. Now it is given that E divides BC in 2:1 ratio. That means BE upon EC is 2/1. Let it be equation number 1. And these two angles are equal. So if these two angles are equal, these two sides are also equal. Yes. BE is equals to BD. Why?
Sides opposite to equal angles.
Right. Okay. So BD is equals to BE, sides opposite to equal angles. Now in triangle CBG, ध्यान से देखो, CBG, DE parallel to CG by construction, because DF and DE are both same line. So we can apply the basic proportionality theorem. So if you apply the basic proportionality theorem, what we are going to get, BD upon DG is equals to BE upon EC. And this ratio is already we got 2/1. So we can write BD is equals to 2 times DG. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now next BD के जगह पे हम लोग BE भी लिख सकते हैं, because these two are equal. And DG we can write half of BE. DG को हम लोग लिख सकते हैं half of BE. This relation we will use in the next slide. ध्यान से देखो. We are going to take first in triangle ADF. फिर से देखो ADF. CG is parallel to DF by construction. So again we are using Thales theorem, basic proportionality theorem. AG upon GD is equals to AC upon CF. Right? And in place of नहीं, फर्स्ट हम लोग 1 ऐड करेंगे, उसके बाद LCM लेंगे. सो AG प्लस GD हो जाएगा AD एंड AC प्लस CF हो जाएगा AF. So AD upon GD will be equals to AF upon CF. Now cross multiply कर लो. AF into GD is equals to AD into GF. Okay, and we have just shown that DG is equals to half of BE. फिर 2 को इधर शिफ्ट कर लो, सो हम लोग का प्रूफ हो गया. Okay, so we will move towards one more very important question. This is textbook example only, but very important question. 2017 में आया था और उससे पहले भी काफी बार आ चुका है. In the given figure, the line segment XY is parallel to side AC, this one, and it divides the triangle into two parts of equal area. These two areas are equal. Find the ratio AX upon AB. AX upon AB. So first XY is parallel to AC. Okay, so these two angles are equal. These two angles are equal. Why?
Corresponding angles.
Right, corresponding angles. So that means these two triangles are similar. And triangle ABC and triangle XBY are similar by a similarity. Okay. So if these two are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional, or we can use that theorem. Areas of ratio of areas of two similar triangle is equal to the ratio of the square of their corresponding sides. So that we are going to use. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle XBY is equals to AB upon XB whole square. Right? Now in the question what is given that these two areas are equal. ठीक है? In the question it is given that these two areas are equal. That means triangle ABC is 2 times of this triangle, single triangle. This is clear? So इसको यहाँ नीचे शिफ्ट कर लो. So area of triangle ABC will be upon area of triangle XBY will be equals to 2. 2 by 1. और ये दोनों को फिर इक्वेट करो. So what we will get, AB upon XB whole square is equals to 2 by 1. So AB upon XB will be root 2 upon 1. This step is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we'll take the reciprocal क्योंकि हम लोग को AX upon AB चाहिए. Now we will subtract from 1. Take LCM. Now AB minus XB will be AX and here root 2 minus 1 upon root 2. This is the answer. Now if you rationalize, if you multiply root 2 by root 2, what you will get? 2 minus root 2 upon 2. That is the final answer. Any doubt in this question? You please do once again, and Sunday revision test number 5 will be there. I already announced the syllabus also. Practice कर लो क्योंकि अभी पूरा एग्जाम भी हो चुका है. Okay, so this is the last question of today's session. Now we'll move towards assignment questions. Please take the screenshot of these questions. Have you taken?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that's all for today's session. Thank you. Thank you very much.